Well, Jay Kinskelly. My show was a China series, the main is a Kylie Bag of the Sunny. As reached and two in the Caroline, the Shinia and I'm Shigobra. That's 3 or 4 days now, I think. Good weather. Does that scamalach cloudy. Achtas cherrim, but it's dry. I guess that's not charo word. That's a gav, not charo. There's a gav, Goimh, gav. Gav is like I suppose a nip in the air, maybe. It's cold enough without being freezing, but the gav on, there's a nip in the air. And time goes we're at the time of year, too much as King Kaikish and just me each over. We're over 2 weeks, we're over a fortnight now into Kaikish. Kaikish is 14 days a fortnight. And as King Kaikish in this, Jack me Jeff over. No, on Sheo Logic, yeah, no, on Sheo Logic. So we're 16 days deep into October. So, well, that's that. Sin over, that's that over in this Mashatan was. Tá gav. There is a nip in the air. Gav is like a nip. And it's a bit cold, not absolutely freezing, but like it is now, like, you'd need a jacket or, you wouldn't be going out with a t-shirt. Shorts in the snipe, well, there's Martin Audit, ní réinse. Agus, get to us in to capel it. Capel it, so to much road to much Cruganasal it, so the template of more, so moving Crugan, how much higher Cruganasal it in. We've passed Cruganasal. This is what people call it. I guess having it to sunny change in the intus, capel. That's a horse manure, the cheddar, the trummy dried. I can put in this capel. Shannon capel ach. For those of you who don't know, ach, E-A-C-H, is the old name for horse. Ach. So the Trachach. Gin, that's Trachach down there near the sea. That's the the horse. Trachach. Trachach. Like T-E-A-C-H. Not beach house. A lot of people think it's beach house. Ach, ní ha, Trachach. Russian ach. To go back. Cacalora ach. To cacalora ach. Chach. But the will chach eigen chach. Does the horse have a house? Wat moet staan eigen kapel. Eigen chach. Cacalora maar Sangefodin kapelin. Sangefodin. Kan maar journey to shoe lunch. Ach, Kirby Mara. Shit, she get kapel. I think du dich kapel no mat, maar beim zegt de rest kan het goed zijn no mat. She's upset, she wants to see the couple again, but I said there, ben moet zegt de rest, but zegt de neer, kan beetje goed zijn no mat is, maar we're becoming a near. A near is from west. A near. A maid is from east. So maid is kundach lodge, agus a near on the Shmean. So come west from the Shmean and come east from Kundach Lodge. So much I think with a cap, I think with a chach. It reached. I could actually mar when you national Navila and in the Tarlo. Oh, it's like about more and no currently Tarlo is probably a good sign that there's not so much happening, no news is bad news, Marajara, as you would say, Marajara. But my vote to catch on Candelier, by vote, I'll chat to Hogan about Shafton and Mordach, Shafton o Mordach. So a week from tomorrow, Shafton o Mordach, by vote, I'll Uchteran, Old Tauchan, the Hayden, Uchteran, the Hayden. Votar go ochtar na he. So beim se case on get change to vote go. Catherine can you some case jout je gewetach finna gael. Then you hoofasach as go donna the Heather Humphreys chus Tá sí níl éghilgice Orange Woman tá sa tí mar bháil gan nó bhí nó a head agus níos mar fearr freisin mar bháil gan Orange Order díalinn na smuide sa látáine cechaí sa teall bhéach sé duinecha donna le Heather Humphreys chuir. Ba cheart well tásúla GM a hope tá ga tásúla GM go mór Catherine Connolly. Dearan go mórfá dearan go bhfuil dearan go bhógus, ba ceart go mórfach sí go má. And not only should Catherine Connolly win, but she should win well, very well, but ceart go mórfach sí go má. Ma tá nádach bhfuil duine ar nos Heather Humphreys nach bhfuil éghaigice sin mar spáinte was at na mar dearan na blue shirts, as you might say, the blue shirts, you know, the fascist West Brit thing, ag na Fine Gaelers, mar dúirt mar tásúla GM nach mórfach sí sin éireacha fach aníonnta sam go mórfach. I'd be extremely surprised if Heather Humphreys wins. Now, the Catherine Connolly míle níos fearr das tá gailge sí son na gailge tá gailge sa scaile freisin maint siad as Conamara agus tá sí tá go leor go gaile réchaí ar dí social. She's done a lot of good work in Galway, social work, you know, so tá mai ceap an gaile Merlin Park tá sa na istíine teacht istíine ag hospital agus rééis ar surgeries na rud cin agus is a bín sa faoiseamh na tucaí hope ag tá wing nó an hospital a Merlin Park so buna cinnte agus maiall ar Catherine Connolly nó bhí an bhaitce lei sé récha like for those who in Galway like who are you know, if you've gotten surgery or something, you know, big enough done, you get like before you might get a week or something in the hospital, then off you go. You need to convalesce somewhere else, some kind of private clinic or whatever. Achanish my other Catherine Connolly, but because of Catherine Connolly and others, but she had a big hand to play in Merlin Park Hospital in Galway. There's a special ward now for people. They can stay there for a couple of weeks at least, if not longer, maybe 3 or 4, maybe a month. I don't know exactly how long, but before you be right, you might get maybe up to a week at most, and off you go. You have to, you know, if you after big surgery or whatever or something like that. And you know, and many other things. You know, as she and I, fiach shonach. You know, against Fox something and go over it. That's Heather Humphreys in Janice, where this is their son of a fiach. So I down Westbridge Janice, where nádach will done Marshani give him water and it's take if in the Gael. It's so stupid if in the Gael. And out of touch in Westbridge, Jark on Westbridge, the Westbridge. You know, perspective, as you might say. No, it's embarrassing. We have said, chicken tomach and nisam kechis erechi, nime, your number of police, erechi, lacuna J, but for Catherine Connolly. Tam she go more son, I shine in the sire, fresh and take a lot of posters, Catherine Connolly, and see any poster one, Hain, Heather Humphreys, a child in the sire. There's not one Heather Humphreys poster here in the Seer. A couple of more, but there's a few polls. So there's at least 2. Hey, Macaulay, there's at least 2 big posters here. Gashcalin in the Seer. Hey, sin Shafton. Hey, Kinrod Macaulay, get a watch. Get a watch. Needs to get the wall. Sunny, ba? That's sunny, Chen. It's sunny. That's sunny, Chen Macaulay. Get away. Sonny's over there, did not see him, Macaulay. That's a ball of chin, so he's like a Ravonian, he's probably sniffing there and he's going to do everything. Oh, no, need to, I thought he would. I thought he would do. I thought he'd do number 1 there. Japanese spoon. Sir, Macaulay. Bed go walk with the chin is Níor go léanú de le rán a ríre. Mar dúirt me san fís an dearnach má taim molta agaí chum. Tás an mata sé bléh an leabhar nó brenn ar éon srá telefíse ar a tele nó sconan film You know, if you have any recommendations or any talking points about if you're watching any television shows, films, reading books, whatever, just leave it in the comments there, and I'll see if I can watch it and discuss, and then maybe in the next video or next couple of videos, maybe I might basically go bléifin doing much Twitter. Ní bhí me an léirmhas, I don't really do reviews, but I could give my kind of thoughts on a show or on a book or you know, film or whatever. So yeah, mar dus ma matain multi ag home. Any recommendations? Just fox the comments chin agus. Turn my antas. I'll acknowledge the user or the who asked me the question. So Vishan, I'll acknowledge. I'll turn my antas. Antas is to acknowledge them. Antas gun che who this. Because it was kesh hum no multi hum brand the worst no. En ich fuck mit der Zinne. Schnell mal schauen. Beim Heiniges Keiling Berg, ein Sonny Bubu, Slanke Vogel.